A quick one, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Facebook post shareable on mobile. So if you are trying to update your Facebook post and you want your friends to be able to share your post when you finally post the update, then you need to follow the steps I'm going to share with you in this video. So let's, for instance, I just share your Facebook post just like this, and it is not shareable. There are two steps that you can take to make your post shareable on Facebook. The first thing is you want to make each of your posts shareable one after the other, while the second method allows you to make your post shareable on Facebook, on your mobile, on all your posts. So to make single post shareable on Facebook, the first thing you want to do is you want to come to what is on your mind and click on that. Once you tap that, type whatever it's your mind here and click on this drop menu below your Facebook name here. And once you click on that, you see a few options available here. There is option to share your Facebook post with your friends. Friends except some specific people. Share your Facebook post with some specific people or only you. Now to make your Facebook post public and be shareable by anyone, want to make sure you select public. And once that is selected, click on the done button. After that, your Facebook post will be shareable and it will be made public. Now to make all your Facebook posts shareable, all you need to do is click on your profile icon either at the top if you are using Android or beneath the bottom right if you are using an iPhone. So here I'm using an iPhone. I'm going to click on menu icon. Once you selected that, scroll down until you see settings and privacy. Click on it to expand it. Once it's expanded, click on the settings icon, and once you tap the settings icon, just need to scroll down until you get to audience and visibility, then click on post. Once you tap post, there's an option that says who can see your future post. Then click on this drop menu here and make sure the option is selected to be public. You should see different options including friends, friends except, specific friends, only me, acquaintance, and close friends. Make sure it is set to public, and once it is set to public, you should see this option saved automatically. And once it is saved automatically, your Facebook post will be shareable on the Facebook mobile application or on your Facebook web account. So guys, this is how to make Facebook shareable on mobile. If this video is helpful, you want to hit the like button, of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.